Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I will not be analyzing any chart, rather, we will be discussing on a very sensitive topic. Is Forex trading legal in India? We have conducted many Instagram live sessions in Hindi where we have discussed about the problem, where I have also shared solutions with you guys. But those sessions were in Hindi, and after that, I have received hundreds of requests regarding the same issue, okay, because many people, okay, do not understand Hindi, so they requested me to upload a video in English so that everyone can understand. And I also felt that if we go online or if we search in YouTube, we will find hundreds of videos regarding the same topic, but nobody gives an exact answer or nobody gives us the complete truth. So I am making the video so that you get the complete answer and you understand the problem very well. Apart from answering the question, we will also be focusing on few other questions also so that you get the complete picture. So my dear friend, if you are a Forex trader and you stay in India, then it is my request for you to watch the full video. So let's get started. So let's start by answering the first question. Is Forex trading legal in India? And the answer is no. There are many people who say that no, Forex trading is legal in India. We are depositing the money in local bank account. We are getting the money in a local bank account, and obviously it is legal in India. Yes, the brokers are using a loophole, but at the time of filing our income tax, can we show the income as Forex trading income? No, isn't it? So if you cannot show your income as your Forex trading income, can we consider it as legal? No, we are just using a loophole. So that doesn't make it right. Forex trading is not legal in India. If you trade on Forex in India, then you must have seen this list. RBI's list of 75 unauthorized Forex trading platforms. And this is the long list of brokers. Many small brokers claim that their name is not mentioned on the list, so they are authorized by RBI. My dear friends, they are just trying to fool you. If their name is not mentioned on the list, it doesn't mean that they are legitimate. Okay, so try to stay away from small brokers that are mostly running these days in India. Most of the small brokers are not even regulated. They can run away with your money at any time. Okay, at least these most of the brokers or the name that we can see on the list are regulated. At least they will not run away with your money. But anyways, if your broker says that our name is not mentioned on the list, okay, still you need to be careful. And today in this video, we will be dealing with these 5 questions. Why Forex trading is not legal in India? What can be the consequences? Should we trade on stocks now? I don't want to quit. What is the solution, Abhilash? How to show my Forex income in income tax? So at first, let's deal with why Forex trading is not legal in India. So RBI fears that if more and more people start trading on Forex, then they will lose money, because as per stats, as per data, 90% traders lose money, and these brokers are located outside India. So to deposit money, we will be sending money outside India, and 90% traders, if they lose money, then obviously we will be sending huge number of Indian rupee outside India, and this will weaken our currency. So RBI fears that if more and more people start sending money outside India, then obviously our domestic currency, Indian rupee, will become weak. So that's why RBI came out with FEMA Act. As these brokers are located outside India, RBI has no jurisdiction. RBI cannot do anything legally. So RBI came out with FEMA Act, and it says that if we send money outside India for Forex trading purpose, then it is not legal. Okay, but there is a loophole, and that's why brokers like OctaFX, Xness became very popular. What they did was, okay, they started taking deposits in local Indian bank accounts, okay, and they also give withdrawal in local Indian bank accounts. So you are not violating FEMA. Okay, technically you are not violating FEMA, but that doesn't make the thing right, because if you cannot show your Forex income in your income tax, then how can you consider it to be legal, isn't it? There are many videos online where people say, and they say that no, you are not sending money outside India, so it is completely legal. That is not the case. Or can you show your income in your income tax? Obviously no. then how can you consider it to be legal, isn't it? So the main thing is that okay, RBI fears that our rupee will become weak. That's why RBI came out with FEMA Act, and as a result of FEMA Act, forex trading is not legal in India. And as of now, okay, as of now in 2024, chances of forex trading becoming legal is very less. Maybe in the future, okay, maybe after a few years, RBI will do something, okay, or our government of India will do something as they did in crypto, okay. But as of now, okay, there is no hope, okay. So let's wait and watch. Time will speak. But at this moment, forex trading is not legal in India. So what can be the consequences? The question number two. This is very important. See the ultimate ultimate consequences going in prison. Okay, but at this moment, the main problem of trading forex in India is that our bank accounts can get freeze. Probably you have heard also. Okay, earlier this was very common in crypto P2P trading, but these days it is very common in forex trading as well. Because whenever the withdrawal comes to our bank account, probably you have also seen that it doesn't come in the name of the forex broker. The forex broker gives the money to the third party merchants, okay, that provide you the withdrawal or payout in your local banks. So probably you have also seen in a bank statement that okay, they always send money, okay, in different names. Now the problem is sometimes these third party merchants are involved in online scams and online frauds. Suppose you have taken a payout of, let's say, 20,000 rupees or 15,000 rupees or 25, whatever the amount is, okay. And maybe the particular merchant, okay, maybe you have already taken hundreds of payouts, okay, from your XNES or OctaFX account. Maybe today is your bad day, okay, maybe the money, okay, that has come to your bank account from the merchant was involved in some sort of online scam or online fraud. So immediately, okay, immediately you will see that your not your actually cyber cell department has locked or just has freeze your bank account, okay. And once your bank account is freeze, then it will be very difficult or hard for you to unfreeze your bank account, because you need to go to the SP's or local SP's office, okay. Then there will be a cyber cell department, you need to request it, okay. It will take a lot of time, and in most of the cases, okay, most of the cases you don't get the money back. Okay, why you don't get the money? Not even you don't get the money back, your bank account also remains frozen. Okay, you can hire a lawyer, you can file a case legally. Okay, that's a very long process. Okay, that's a very long process. So the main problem at this moment is that okay, there's a high chance of your bank account getting frozen because of these third party merchants. So if you are going for these bank transfer or bank payouts, okay, then the best way is okay, use a bank account, okay, where you do not have much money. Let's say you have 500 rupees, 1000 rupees bank balance, that's it. Do not use the main bank account of yours, because if okay, if it's your bad day, then obviously your bank account will be frozen and it will be very difficult for you to unfreeze the bank account. Okay, so this is the consequence, a main problem of forex trading in India right now, because most of the people, okay, most of the people are depositing money in local bank account. They are also getting payout in local bank account, so they are not violating FEMA technically. So RBI is not coming into the scene, but there will be a problem of cyber cell department always. Okay, so if you want to avoid it, okay, try to use a bank account where you do not have much money. Now, question number three, should we trade on stocks now? Okay, because of all these problems, many people feel that, okay, Forex is not my cup of tea, we should trade on stocks now. But the problem is that, okay, stock market has become very capital intensive. Okay, see, earlier, especially before COVID, okay, things were different, little bit different. People used to come to market, okay, with a good amount of capital, 50,000, 1 lakh rupees, 2 lakh, okay, because we know it very well that trading, okay, in trading, okay, a good amount of capital is required. But after COVID, things changed drastically. People lost their employment, many people lost their job, okay, the prices of commodities goods have rose sharply, so many people are totally dependent on forex right now. Okay, so if I say that you need to quit forex trading completely and go and trade on stocks right now, then it will be very difficult for many of us. Why? Because in forex market, okay, there is no such big entry barrier. You can trade with $100 also, you can trade with $200 also, $500. Okay, there is no such amount. But if you start trading on stock market, okay, then okay, you need a good amount of capital. Why? Earlier we had the normal intraday trading, okay, where we used to get good amount of margin, okay, from the broker around for 30x, 40x, 50x. But those days are gone right now, okay, because of many rules and regulations from SEBI. Okay, the intraday margin has become very less. Okay, those who have a good amount of capital, then obviously they have no problem in switching to stock market. But if you do not have good capital, then obviously it will be very difficult for you to survive in stock market. Why? First of all, in stock market you do not get much margin, and due to lack of money or due to lack of capital, if you start trading on future and options F&O market, then your journey is going to be more tough, because majority of the traders in Indian market lose money because they trade on options. And to trade on option also, option or futures, you need a good amount of capital. At least you need 3 to 5 lakhs. Okay, you may get option at very cheap price. Okay, you may find option at 10 rupees, 15 rupees also, but those will be very far, okay, very far OTM. Okay, and that is not the solution. Okay, your journey will be much more tougher. So after listening to me, if you're feeling that I do not want to trade on forex, okay, I should go back to stocks, then these are the problems that you are going to face. And if you do not, if you don't have the problem of capital, then obviously you can switch to stocks. There is no problem. Okay. Now question number 4. I don't want to quit. What is the solution? Okay. Already I have given a part answer in question number 2, that if you are happy with your bank withdrawals or bank payouts, then obviously you need to look at this safety side also. For that, do not use the main bank account of yours or of your family. Take the bank withdrawal or bank payout on an account where you do not have much balance. Okay, and once you receive the payout, okay, do not start sending the money to your other bank account or to the bank account of your family members. Okay, at least wait for 2 to 3 days. After that, you can send the money to your another account or to the bank account of other members, because there is a problem of chain freezing also. For example, I have received the money in my bank account. Suppose I have received 10,000 rupees in my bank account right now, and if I send them, let's say I'm sending 5,000 rupees to my mother's account, and my mother has sent 2,000 rupees to her sister's account, and I have sent another 3,000 rupees to my wife's account. My wife has sent money to another account. So the problem will be, okay, my bank account will be freeze, and all the bank account of my mother, wife, my mother's sister's account, all the bank account will be frozen. Okay, because the cyber cell department will consider that we all are involved in some sort of online scams. So take the money on a bank account where do not have much balance, and keep the money for 2 to 3 days, then only you can transfer. This can be one solution that you can use as of now. And the second solution for you is, okay, you can start depositing money on USDT, and also you can take payouts in USDT. Okay, USDT, if you ask me personally, I personally believe that USDT is the best solution in the market right now. Okay, why USDT is the best solution in the market? Because it's a decentralized market. Okay, the USDT transactions cannot be tracked. Okay, you just need a reliable person who can give you cash payout or who can give you bank transfer. Do not go to Binance, because if you go to Binance for your withdrawals, then there's a high chance that, okay, your bank account will be freeze again. Okay, so you need a proper channel. Okay, maybe you will find, okay, if you ask the known persons, okay, you will definitely find an answer who will be providing you safe crypto withdrawal to your bank account, or you can or cash delivery option. Okay. If you don't get one, okay, if you don't get one, or if you fail to find a reliable solution, then you can DM me on my Instagram. Okay, I will look into it. Okay, this is a public video. I cannot discuss many things openly. Okay, but this can be another solution for you. USDT, or personally, I feel that if you stay in India, then USDT is the best solution. Taking payout in bank account is not very safe right now. It was safe earlier, but these days it is not very safe. Okay, and secondly, okay, if you can find a reliable solution who can provide you a normal bank transfer or something like that, okay, then you are free from the cyber cell problem. Okay, now we come to the last question: how to show my forex income in income tax. Okay, so it is the most difficult part here to show your income. Okay, if you're profitable and if you want to show your income in income tax, then obviously you need to consult a good CA, chartered accountant. Okay, if bureaucracy is the brain, okay, if bureaucracy of any country is the brain, then chartered accountant, okay, they are the spinal cord. So talk to a good CA, chartered accountant. He will be helping you, or he or she will be helping you with your income tax department, not income tax, not department, income tax filing. And the best part is that, okay, if you take your payouts in USDT, okay, if you take your payouts in USDT, then obviously you can there will be some local providers who will be giving you cash payout. Okay, and you can give the cash to your chartered accountant, and obviously he can do a lot of stuff. Okay, this is a public video, I cannot discuss many things, but yes, you can go to a good chartered accountant. He or she will definitely help you out. Okay, just be honest. You should always be honest to doctors and lawyers, and also to your chartered accountant. And last thing is that, okay, if you really want to, okay, if you really want to continue trading on forex, but if you do not want to, okay, do not want to face these problems, and if you can afford, then you can take a visa in Dubai. Taking a visa in Dubai is the best solution. You can go for a normal visa. Okay, it will cost you around 10 to 15 lakhs, but you can also go for a freelance visa. Okay, that will cost you much lesser. Okay, around 2 to 3 lakhs, I guess. Okay, 2 to 3 lakhs. You can go for a freelance visa. Okay, once you get a bank account in Dubai, okay, all the problems will be gone. But yes, you need to visit Dubai twice or thrice a year. Okay, so if you can avail the option of getting a freelance visa in Dubai, okay, then all the problems will be gone. Okay, so hopefully uh, you got all the answers. I believe, my dear friends, that the picture is clear right now, and please share the video with anyone who would love to trade on forex and stay in India. Okay, because we all deserve to know the truth. Thank you so much.